Want to earn dividend income but don't want to pick individual stocks? Dividend ETFs are a simple, hands-off way to start. Today, we're breaking down 3 of the best options for beginners in 2025. First up, SCHD, the Schwab U.S. Dividend Equity ETF. This one focuses on quality companies with a strong track record of paying and growing their dividends. Think of it as the set and grow option. Its dividend yield sits around 3.5%. It's low cost, with an expense ratio of just 0.06%, and it's packed with large, reliable U.S. companies. What we like: it has low fees, strong long-term performance, and focuses on fundamentals like return on equity and dividend growth. What we don't like: it doesn't have the highest yield, and it lacks international diversification. This one's best for long-term investors who want steady dividend growth and solid capital appreciation over time. Next up, VYM, the Vanguard High Dividend Yield ETF. This one gives you broad exposure to high-yielding U.S. companies. It's built for income-first investors who still want something stable and diversified. VYM has a dividend yield around 3.2%. It tracks a broad index of over 400 stocks and also has a very low expense ratio, just 0.06%. What we like: it's super diversified, reliable, and beginner-friendly. What we don't like: it prioritizes yield over growth, so it might not grow as fast as something like SCHD. This one's best for investors who want steady income and wide exposure without needing to monitor their portfolio closely. Last on the list, JEPI, the JEPI ETF from JP Morgan. This one's unique. It uses a covered call strategy to generate very high income, often between 7 and 10% annually. It pays monthly, which is rare, and it's actively managed, but that means a higher fee, around 0.35%. What we like: very high yield, monthly payouts, and lower volatility than you'd expect for that level of income. What we don't like: it sacrifices long-term growth potential, and the strategy is more complex. This one's best for retirees or income-focused investors who want cash flow now, not necessarily big portfolio growth later. So here's the recap. SCHD is great for long-term growth with solid dividends, great for long-term compounding. VYM offers broad, stable income across hundreds of U.S. stocks, great for passive income with low volatility, and JEPI is your high-yield, high-income option, and with monthly payouts, best for monthly cash flow, not long-term growth. There's no one-size-fits-all answer, but depending on your goals, one of these could be the perfect fit for your dividend portfolio. You don't need to pick the perfect ETF. You just need to start with the one that fits your goals. And if you want to see how much income these ETFs could generate for you, grab our free dividend tracker. The link's below. Every dollar you invest wisely is a step closer to freedom. Subscribe now, and let's make every step count. Stickonomics, finance, drawn simply.